everybody, and welcome back to my Moneymaker haul of CVS, you guys. This was an awesome week at CVS. Like, I had, my whole page is full. Like, that's how many deals I did. I had a list of stuff, and then I'm like, you know what, I want to use these like CRTs that we have for like food and stuff, because a lot of you guys really want the food deals, and I really want to share with you guys more food deals. I mean, we have enough personal care products, but let's get some food deals. So some of these deals are only good for the next 4 days until Wednesday, and some of these deals are good all week long. So I'm just giving you guys a heads up on these deals, but I am so excited to share with you guys. I actually get stuff I've never gotten before, and I'm getting stuff that I actually was excited to get. So let me just shut up and share with you guys what I got. So I got some food deals, which I'm just gonna share with you guys the food deals right away. So I ended up getting beef jerky, the Crave beef jerky. Now this was $4.99. You guys would get a $2 extra care buck when you guys buy that, making it was it $3.99 or $2.99? $2.99 for this, which could be an okay deal if you guys want to do that. And then I also got Skinny Pop popcorn, and this was $3.99, and you guys will get a $2 extra care buck when you buy this, making it $1.99. But I actually had a 2 off of 8 snacks CRT that I ended up using. So with both of these combined for $4.99 and $3.99, use that 2 off of 8 CRT, you guys would get these for $6.98. But then you guys will get $2 back and $2 back, making it $2.98 or $1.49. Now there was coupons out there. I don't know if they're still valid for this, but I'm like, for $1.49 for these, I think it's a pretty good deal, especially beef jerky. I walked in the door and my husband's like, because I called him and asked him what flavor he wanted. He's like, where's the beef jerky? And I'm like, Grandma Arthur, you're gonna have to wait until I get done with my video so I can show those guys the beef jerky deal. So definitely go ahead and do that if you guys want to do that. So I'm going to put the beef jerky to the side because he is that excited. Now I did other food deals for you guys, which I was pretty excited for. So I'm going to try to share with you guys that. I just got to empty my bags out. And I love how you guys make fun of me because I say bags. Yes, 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 yes. Okay, let me see the other bag that I... Okay, here's the other one. So the next deal I did is I ended up getting the Campbell's soup. Now the Campbell's soup is 3 for $3, you guys. And when you guys buy 3, you get a $1 extra care buck, okay? And I got chicken noodle soup because I like my chicken noodle soup. I also got Ocean Spray cranberry sauce. I love this stuff. I absolutely love this stuff. These were 2 for $2. Or 2 for $3, sorry, 2 for $3, and you guys will get an extra, $1 extra care buck for this one, okay? I'm still trying to find my 3rd can of soup, okay? But there also is a deal that if you guys get Chips Ahoy, now it said Chips Ahoy, crackers, and then Newtons, and I'm like, okay, so I'm gonna get 1 thing of Chips Ahoy and 1 thing of crackers because you can't go wrong with crackers. Now these were 2 for $6, and if you guys bought 2 of them, you would got a $2 extra care buck, okay? Well, what happened is I had a 3 off of 10 food CRT, so I ended up using that. So you guys, between the crackers, the cookies, the 3 cans of Campbell's soup, and the 2 jars of Ocean Spray, you guys have paid $9 for all that stuff, which I think is an okay deal. But then you guys will get a $2 extra care buck back for the crackers and the Chips Ahoy. You guys will get a $1 off or $1 extra care buck back for the Campbell's soup, and you guys will get a $1 extra care buck back for the jellied cranberry sauce. So this comes out to be just $5 for all those items. That's just 71 cents a piece. That is a great deal, you guys. Like, I got 7 items for $5. Like, I think that is a very good deal. Like, you know, these cookies here alone are $3. This thing right here is like $3. So, I mean, if you guys think about it, and usually like $1 a can. So I think for $5 for that little bundle was a great deal. And that was like something I had the CRTs, And I'm like, okay, what am I gonna get? And I'm like, wow, I'm very proud of that, you guys. Like, the cashiers were laughing at me because I was like singing and dancing in the store, and I'm just like, do 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 do. Okay, so the next deal I did is the Eucerin lotion. Now these were $10.29, okay? Now I did two different scenarios with this deal depending on what you guys did. But these were $10.29, and then I got this one for $6.29. And I used two. Now there's coupons under inserts for 3 off of 2. But if you guys look above, there's actually $3 off coupons. I am completely blind because I actually cut out the 5 off of 2, and then I'm like, why not use the $3 off coupons? And it says a limit of 4, so did that. So you guys want to use 2 $3 off coupons, and then I got this little bad boy and I used a $1 off coupon. You can use that. You can have that, honey. So you guys would get all those. And then I had a $3.50 off of 10 lotion CRT. I had a 2 off of 10 lotion CRT. And then I had a $2 off CRT. No, $3.50 off of 15. One of them was like 3 off of 15, I think. Because that's why I had to get $25. So one was, I think it was $3.50 off at 15 and 2 off at 10 and a $2 lotion. So you guys would pay $12.38 for all 3 of these, but then you guys will get a $10 extra care buck, making this $2.37 or just 79 cents, which I think is a pretty good deal. 79 cents for a big thing of lotion. Great, great deal. So I was really excited to share with you guys on that deal. I got like tons of reusable bags. I kind of been losing my main ones, or they just got stuff still inside them. So yeah. So I ended up doing the Swab Deal. Now there was printable coupons that we got from a couple weeks ago, and I printed those off. Those do not expire today. Like the other ones, the insert ones expire today. The printables do not. So if you guys want to go ahead and do either, you can still do this deal for the rest of the week if you guys have those printables, okay? So these were 2 for $6. I ended up buying 4 of them because I had a... I'm not doing my breakdowns in order, so I gotta figure it out. I had a 3 off of... I used 3 off of 2 coupons, 1 insert because that's all I had, and then 1 printable. I had a 3 off of 12 hair care CRT, plus I had a $2 off any hair care. So you guys would just pay $1. $1 for 4 of these, but then you guys will get a $4 extra care buck for buying just 2 of them. And you guys can submit your receipt to Fetch Rewards. You guys will get points. This comes to be a $3 moneymaker. $3 moneymaker. I love it. I love it. I love it. So I definitely wanted to share with you guys with that, in case, you know, you want to get some Suave. I love it. Love it. Love it. I'm just having a great day, you guys. Like, I'm just that excited. It's Thanksgiving week. It's, you know, I get to put my 2 weeks notice week at work. I also am working Black Friday, my last and final Black Friday. I'm ready to go shopping. If only I had a shopping buddy. I'm going by myself. Yeah, but I'm just having a great day. These, again, you guys can also submit to Fetch Rewards and get points also. So the Kotex Liners, these were $1.89. They're buy one, get one 50% off. I did have some coupons for stuff, but it wasn't cheap enough like this deal, so I just wanted to do this deal. But you guys would get these for $2.83. You would get a $2 extra care buck. You guys can submit to Fetch Rewards, but these come out to be just 83 cents or 42 cents a piece, which I think is a pretty great deal if you guys need feminine products. So I definitely wanted to share with you guys on that deal. Now, I did the Colgate Toothpaste deal. Now, I did do this with both of my cards because this deal is only good for this week. And then I think it's going to restart again on Black Friday. So do this deal and then do it again on Black Friday. So just giving you guys a heads up. But again, these were $3.50. You guys want to use a $3 off coupon that is printing from the red machine, plus the 50-cent off coupon that we got from our inserts. You guys would get this absolutely free. So today, this week, wherever you guys go between Walmart and CVS, let's get some free toothpaste. Free toothpaste. And like I said, I did use both of my cards. Now, I really try not to use both of my cards during the same deals. Like, there's some freebies. I try not to do it, but toothpaste I just cannot pass up. I ended up doing the Herbal, okay, hold on you guys, I'm messing up myself. I did the Eucerin deal with my other card. So again, both of these were $10.29. I used two $3 off coupons, and then I had a 3 off a 10, and I also had a $2.25 or $2.25 off a 10 lotion CRT. So I used two different lotions because I was spending over $20. I would pay $9.33 for the both of these, but then you guys will get a $10 extra care buck, making these absolutely free and a 67-cent moneymaker. So just depends on what CRTs that you guys have. I don't know why, but I have tons of lotion CRTs. Like, one thing, if you guys don't know about this, a lot of you guys are not saying I don't get all those CRTs. I have to scan each of my card 4 to 6 times. I should show you guys a picture. When I was preparing for my CVS haul yesterday, I had my whole entire living room full of all the ECBs that I get, because I scan my card 4 to 6 times and they keep printing off, and then I also get more printed off when I get to the register. Like, that's just that crazy, okay? So now the next deal I did is the cash card deal, and this is a pretty good deal if you guys want to do this deal. So what I ended up doing is I had the Head and Shoulders, the Herbal Essence. Now these were 2 for $12, and I used a 5 off of 2 coupon. I also had a I had a 3 off of 10 CRT that I got for that. I had a Head and Shoulders. These were also 2 for $12. I used a 5 off of 2 coupon that we got in today's inserts. And then I also had a 2 off of 7 CRT that I used for that. And then I also got the Crest toothpaste. These were $2.99, and I used two $2 off coupons from today's paper also. So you guys would get all 6 of those items, use the coupons and the CRT. It comes to $10.98. $10.98, pretty good deal. But then you guys will get a $10 cash card back. So it comes out to be just 98 cents. For 6 items, that comes out to be 16 cents a piece. I think that is a very good deal, you guys. Like, I usually say free toothpaste, but I still think for Head and Shoulders and Herbal Essence, 16 cents a piece is a great deal. So I wanted to share with you guys that because that is awesome. I was going to get Pantene, but I'm like, no, let's get some good stuff. So, yeah. Crest mouthwash. Now this is the whitening stuff. Now when I do show you guys those pictures, my stores did not have a lot of tags up, so I had to like go scan a lot of that stuff. But this was oh, where's my spot? This was $4.99. I used a $1 off coupon that we got in today's P&G. Plus, I had a 3 off of any whitening CRT. Now, it does work as long as you guys get the whitening, because this is a whitening mouthwash. So you guys would just get this for 99 cents. You would get $2 back in an extra care buck, making it a $1.01 moneymaker. So couldn't pass that up. I think that is a great deal. And then the last and final deal I got is the Maybelline deal. Now, I have a feeling this is going to be again in the Black Friday. I have the Black Friday ad. They gave it to me, but I have to look at it. Like, I prepare everything later on this week, you guys. I'm so excited. But this was $6.99. You guys want to use a $2 off coupon. You would pay $4.99 for this, but then you guys will get a $5 extra care buck, making this absolutely for free. So yes, loving it, loving it, loving it. And that was my haul. You guys, I think I did pretty good. Like, that's how excited I am over this week. I'm just that excited. My total for everything came to be $1.47. That is how much I paid out of pocket for everything, was $1.47. I ended up using $53 of extra care bucks, but I did receive $61 back, so it was like a money maker. So it came out to be a $6.53 money maker. I love it. Everything came out to be for free, plus I made a profit. Yeah, super excited about that. I hope you guys enjoyed my haul. I hope you guys can do some great deals. I will see you guys on Thursday. Yes, I am going to CVS on Thursday, and I'm going to share with you guys all the freebies that you guys get. I am super excited to share with you guys all on that. If you guys enjoyed this video, please let me know by giving this video a thumbs up, and we will see you guys on Thursday. See you guys later. Bye-bye.